Hey there everyone, welcome back for another video. Today I wanted to walk through this keyword research clustering analysis tool that I created. What I've been finding when I do keyword research is when you're pulling keyword lists or data from keyword research tools like SEMrush or BrightEdge, what you might often find is you have very similar variations of keywords that you might want to cleanse from your data set. And an example of this is when you have very closely semantically related keywords like mortgage rates, mortgage rates misspelling, where they have the exact same search volume and cost per click. The way that Google aggregates this information is this isn't 100,000 search volume, 100,000 search volume, 100,000 search volume. This is basically the total in the clustering set that Google aggregates for these common keywords. So combined, these add up to 110,000 total search volume as an opportunity rather than, let's say, 300,000. These aren't unique. They belong to the same group or clustering set for the keywords. And so in order to do some better forecasting and just have a cleaner data set that you're working with, it can be kind of tedious to go through manually to then pick a primary keyword. So in this case, I'd probably choose mortgage rates as the primary and then strike these other two from my list. So what this keyword clustering tool does is it basically goes through this entire list using OpenAI's ADA 2 embedding model, basically to help calculate the keyword data, turn it into embeddings, and then calculate the similarity between these keywords to then automatically choose what that primary should be. And it also uses GPT 3.5 Turbo in cases where maybe there's only two keywords to choose from to help make that determination once it's been clustered together into the same grouping through the ADA 2 embedding model. So if I go back in here, how you'll use this tool is first you'll upload your CSV for your keyword file, and you need to have the following headers included. So your keywords, your search volume, and your cost per click data. And then in order to use the ADA 2 in GPT 3.5 Turbo model is then enter your OpenAI API key. And then you'll enter and it'll generate the embeddings for the keywords and then turn them into a table in which you can then download the results. So in here you can see that in this case, mortgage rates were identified to belong to the same cluster. And then mortgage rates was chosen as the primary keyword. So you can basically just quickly do this analysis and clean these from your data set. Same for FHA loans. So FHA loan was chosen as the primary. They belong to the same cluster grouping. And then FHA loans and loan FHA were denoted as variants. And then also you have how to buy a house, amortization calculator, and mortgage refinance calculator, which were identified to belong to their own clustering because they have separate search volume totals, separate cost per click, and then they didn't quite match with the other keywords based on the embedding model. So you then download the analysis results, and then it'll give you a CSV file that you can manipulate. So hopefully you found this walkthrough to be helpful, and hopefully you found this tool to be helpful. Definitely leave some comments below if you want to see anything else out of this this tool or any other tools that you may want me to create from a Python or Streamlit perspective. But I'll catch y'all later.